I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to clear shared with you storage in iPhone or iPad messages. The shared with you feature is great for automatically surfacing links, photos, and music your friends text you inside apps like Safari, Photos, and Apple Music. However, if your friends send you a lot of media, the background cache can quickly bloat your device storage. You can easily clear this up by turning off the feature entirely or managing it for specific threads. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Scroll down and tap Apps in this menu, and then tap Messages on the next screen. Step 2. Tap Shared with You in the Messages settings menu. Step 3. If you want to completely wipe out all the background storage used by this feature across your entire device, turn off the toggle next to Automatic Sharing. This instantly removes all shared content rows from your other Apple apps. Alternatively, if you only want to stop specific types of media from caching, you can keep Automatic Sharing on and just turn off the individual toggles below for apps like Photos, Safari, or Podcast. Step 4. If you prefer to keep the feature active globally but want to block a specific text or friend who sends too many large files, open the Apple Messages app and tap into that specific conversation thread. Step 5. Tap the contact icon or group name at the top of the screen to open the Details menu. Step 6. Scroll down this menu until you see the toggle for Show in Shared with You and turn it off. This tells your device to stop indexing and caching media from this specific person, immediately freeing up your background storage space. If your device storage is still running low after adjusting these settings, you should also clear out the actual physical attachments hidden inside the text threads themselves. To do this quickly without deleting whole conversations, go back to your main Settings app, tap General, and then tap iPhone Storage or iPad Storage. Scroll down and tap on Messages. From here, you can navigate down to the Documents section and tap into categories like Photos, Videos, or GIFs and Stickers to see a list of the largest files sorted by size. Simply swipe left on the largest attachments you no longer need and tap Delete to permanently reclaim your device storage. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.